Sorry, still trying to get warm. Just crashed this drone into Sparks Lake. Fortunately, my cousin had his paddleboard here and paddleboarded out and looked for it and found it in about 4.5 feet. Tried to pull it up with the paddle and that didn't work, so shimmied down and into the water and grabbed it with my toe and pulled it back up and paddled the board it back here to safety. So I doubt it's going to recover from this, but probably just going to be an expensive mistake, and bummer about that. So just doing this kind of coming down, low flying shot. Didn't realize how close to the water I was and heard a splash. The drone disconnected from their remote. So that's what happens when you crash a drone into a lake. So it goes. That's that. So thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.